Hello, and welcome to this ClassClac tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning about the Matrix Calculator mobile app. On the Matrix Calculator, you can find your basic functions on the right, your matrix functions on the left, and a list of matrices at the top. The flow of matrix manipulation is simple. First, we create a matrix by typing in capital letters or tapping one of the matrix letter buttons. Note that you can only use letters A through H. Second, we adjust the dimensions of the matrix and fill out its elements. We'll go with a 3x3. Lastly, we send the matrix to the output and can now use the corresponding letter to do matrix math, such as taking the determinant of the matrix, taking the inverse of the matrix, transposing a matrix, and much more. Let's create a second 3x3 matrix so we can do some multi-matrix math. Now, we can do things like matrix addition, matrix multiplication, and matrix powers. Let's have some fun and put that all together. We'll type in a squared b squared minus a plus b. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to this ClassClac tutorial.